It's kind of burning. It's kind of burning. It's just really hot. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a little bit, but it's okay. I'm back and we're ready to get back into the groove of things. Tank looks so excited for today's video. In today's video, I am going to be testing and reviewing a Victoria's Secret Plump Me Up Extreme Lip Plumper in the shade Almost Nude. Truthfully, I've never really willingly tried a lip plumper. I think my cousin kind of like tricked me into testing a lip plumper at Sephora, one of like the test ones, and I didn't realize at the time what it was, and I put it on like super uneven and it was just a mess. The only reason I even got this was because that same cousin that tricked me into testing a lip plumper at Sephora, we were at the mall at least 3 months ago now, but we were at the mall and Victoria's Secret was having like this big sale, and I honestly never go in there. It's too pricey for me. And also I just don't really like name brand stuff. I don't know, I've always been like that. Basically, she was like begging me, get something with me, please get something. I picked out some things on clearance, whatever, and then I found these when I was waiting in line to check out, and it was buy one get one free. So I also got this little lip gloss. I feel like this is a pretty color, and I'll put this on once we get a good honest review on this. Sometimes when I do full faces of makeup, I will like use this on my lips. The same cousin that I've been talking about this entire video, she actually gave this to me. I have no idea where she got it from. Basically what you do is you do this. So yeah. So yeah, you do that, you keep it on for a little bit, and it makes your lips plumper. But the only thing I don't like about this is A, it's like cutting off my circulation, and it kind of hurts sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. This like makes me tear up sometimes, and I don't know if it's always worth it. And also, it leaves like a huge outline like around my lips for like at least 10 minutes after I use it. So if there's a way I can avoid doing that, a way I could avoid doing it is by not using it, but I don't even know why I really use it, quite honestly. But anyway, enough of the background information. Let's get to trying this. First things first, I feel weird just like trying the product without any makeup on, so we're gonna put some makeup on this face. Okay, I'm back. So let's get into the review. First, we must hydrate. Next, let me just say to whoever is watching this, never let anyone make you feel like you don't wear enough makeup. Never let anyone make you feel like you wear too much makeup, because quite honestly, it doesn't matter what other people think about you. What matters is that you feel happy, you feel confident, you feel comfortable, and that's it. Happiness is what makes you happy. Don't feel like you need to plump your lips. You don't have to. Your lips don't have to be big. Your lips don't have to look a certain way. Do what you want to them, but don't do it out of insecurity, because I know I've done a lot of things, especially when it comes to makeup and a lot of self-image stuff, because I want to fit into society, or I want to make my mom and dad or whoever happy. I'm just doing this video because I want to try the lip plumper, man. If I like it, I'll use it. If I don't like it, I won't use it. So please just do what makes you feel happy and pretty. Whatever anybody else has to say, it quite honestly doesn't matter. Anyway, now let's get into the review. So I need to open this. It's literally sealed. I haven't tried it yet. I have no idea what's coming to me. This was $12. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. I don't know. Victoria's Secret product makeup just kind of scares me a little. It's open. I was not expecting that. This is like what the applicator looks like. Oh no! It doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it still doesn't smell like anything. All right, I guess moment of truth. Here we go. Okay. Oh my god, ow. It's kind of burning. It's kind of burning. It's a little glossier than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know why. I thought it was kind of gonna be more matte, I guess. It's burning in my lips, but so far I don't see anything happening. I mean, it's pretty color. I can't tell if it's doing anything. It's just burning. I can't get over how glossy it is for some reason. I guess I'm gonna sit here and wait. I think it got in my mouth, because my mouth is like also on fire. Is it working? I can't tell. It's just really hot. Damn, this shade's almost nude. I wish this was the color I looked nude. I look like I'm exposed. Oh my gosh, that's like actually really bad. That's actually crazy, because my foundation is in the shade light. It's fine. I don't feel like it's doing anything. Like, it's just burning. It's still super glossy. I don't know why I just thought it was gonna dry matte. Extreme Lip Plumper. Where does it look like it's doing anything? on my water bottle. I don't know if I'm just being impatient, but I feel like really nothing's happening. I'm kind of disappointed. The color is nice. I won't bash the color. The color is really nice. I just feel like my lips are burning for no reason. Like I don't see anything happening. Like I feel like all the pain is for nothing. No! I wanted it to work! The burning's starting to go away and that makes me feel like it's not working. It says extreme lip plumper. Like, this is false advertising, Victoria's Secret false advertising. Do better. At least it was buy one, get one free, so I didn't really waste a lot of money on it. There were a couple other ones in different shades, and I was thinking about getting those ones too, but I wanted to try one to make sure I liked them before I bought like all of them impulsively, and I'm happy I did that because I feel like I would have just wasted a lot of money. I'm gonna wipe it off so we can try the gloss. Overall, I think, honestly, it didn't do anything except burn my lips. I don't really feel like I see a difference. Maybe when I'm editing this, I see a difference. It's been like over 20 minutes. Like, there's no way. It shouldn't take longer than that. The burning pretty much has subsided. Like, I feel like it just burned for no reason. Maybe if it burns their lips, they'll think it's working. That's what I kind of feel like just happened. Like, yeah, like it burned, but I don't really feel like anything happened. I just put a color on my lip, in my opinion. I'm happy I didn't buy any more of these. It definitely does not plump me up. So next is the Glowing Color Lip Shine lip gloss. I also have not opened this. Struggle is real. Why was it so hard? The seal is off. This was also $12, but I got this for free because it was, you know, buy one, get one free. Here it is. Yo, wait, look at that. It's like pretty much halfway gone. It one time. There's not a lot of product in here. It just feels like a normal lip gloss and it pretty much just looks like a normal lip gloss. It's nothing special. I feel so bad. I feel like I'm being so negative. Honestly, even though it didn't really work, I'm still very happy I tried it because if I wouldn't have tried it, I would have spent probably the rest of my days wondering, what if it worked? But now I know it doesn't. So I don't have to waste my time thinking about it. This may not have worked, but hopefully we will have some success stories in the future. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have made it to the end, I am so super grateful for you. If you liked this video and found it informative, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like. And if you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe as well. If not, that's okay too, but I'd appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!